Hi, I'm Anusha Vaidyanathan, Director Product Management at Silver Peak Systems, and today I'm going to be talking about automating security segmentation. So what is security segmentation? For many years, enterprises have been separating their corporate applications from their guest Wi-Fi traffic. And if they have a partner network, they have been separating that from the corporate and guest Wi-Fi. Also, business critical applications are always kept separate from the less secure guest Wi-Fi traffic. If you're a retail store, your business critical application can be your point of sale traffic. If you're a hospital, it can be your healthcare data. And if you're a manufacturing industry, it can be one of your business critical industrial apps. So security segmentation has been implemented through zone-based firewalls, through VLANs or virtual LANs, and through WAN overlays. So it is not rocket science, but the challenge is in that segmentation has been a manual process that is applied on a site-by-site or a branch office by branch office basis. So if you're a global enterprise, maybe your Asia offices don't even have a guest Wi-Fi segment. Your Europe offices may have other partner or vendor networks for which policies need to be added. And your North America sites may have different policies. For instance, they may want to break out Office 365 traffic while backhauling the rest of the applications. So with different policies for different regions and different sites, applying them on a site-by-site basis definitely does not scale. So device-by-device security policy configuration is a definite no-no, and it does not scale. So what is the solution? The solution is in centralized policy orchestration and automation of security policies or security segmentation. So your corporate applications that originate from the corporate branch segment always go over the corporate WAN overlay to your corporate data center. Your business critical applications that originate from the corporate segment go over a separate business critical overlay, and if it is Office 365 or SharePoint, they may go direct to net, but can be given a higher quality of service. Your guest Wi-Fi traffic would never mix with the corporate or business critical applications, and it goes over a separate overlay, is given a lower quality of service before it reaches the internet. And finally, you have the default traffic also going into the internet. So security segmentation also includes automation or service chaining to a cloud security provider for advanced security inspection. So here we can add or service chain to a cloud security service like Zscaler. So WAN IP addresses can change. With API-based segmentation and service chaining, we can easily orchestrate changing WAN IP addresses and changing cloud points of presence all under the covers, so that you get a seamless service chain for all your tens of hundreds of sites. So this flowchart looks good as just a flowchart, but how do you apply this as a security policy to tens of hundreds of sites? With the Silver Peak Edge Connect WAN Edge appliance and Silver Peak Unity Orchestrator policies, the whole thing can be orchestrated through a template-based policies and can be applied to hundreds of sites or groups of sites all at once. So this is easily implemented through a security policy matrix that looks like this. So here you can see that the flow chart is actually translated into an actionable security policy matrix, where you have your corporate branch users going all the way across to the corporate data center, your business critical applications that originate from the corporate branch goes over the business critical overlay. Your guest Wi-Fi users and your corporate users are allowed to browse the internet, and they go over the default overlay. Additional policies like a higher quality of service for business critical apps and a lower quality of service for guest Wi-Fi can be easily applied. And we also have drag and drop service chaining to send the guest Wi-Fi and default traffic to a cloud security service. So what are the advantages? So the first thing is that the policies are end-to-end, because they go all the way from the LAN or the branch across the WAN or the wide area network to the data center, or maybe to another branch, or even to the cloud or the internet. The policies are accurate and scalable. Even if there are different policies for different regions, they can be consistently applied to tens of hundreds of sites all at once. The other benefit is ease of verification. Because we apply policies to tens of hundreds of sites, we want to see how they are working as a whole in the network. And we are able to do that through the Silver Peak Unity Orchestrator for each one of the Silver Peak EdgeConnect appliances. The other benefit is threat containment. Because the segmentation is end-to-end, traffic from the LAN never mixes with the WAN. So your guest Wi-Fi traffic will never mix with corporate or other business critical applications, and that is how we contain threats. The final benefit is the time that is saved for an IT admin. As with the security policy matrix and the template-based orchestration, we have just simplified device by device, site by site configuration for tens of hundreds of sites that normally takes several hundreds of man hours and several IT administrators to implement. So all that is time saved, and finally it can be done in just a matter of minutes through just a few policy clicks. So thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please visit the Silver Peak website.